Right. Good evening, children. Let's start. Others will join slowly, right? Is it only 3 finished writing? Others are not writing dictation. Okay, let's mark. Okay, let's check marks. Pasindu, how many marks?
10 marks.
Okay. Kavisha. Umesha.
11 teacher.
Good. Binali. 11. Good. Satini.
11 teacher.
Good. Udari.
11 teacher.
Okay. Tenuji. 11. Okay. Hansika. 9. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right. Okay, today we have a lot of homework to mark. Let's start with the exam paper. (2017) Gampaha and 2017 Kelaniya. (2017 Kelaniya). 2017 Gampaha, I think we marked. Uh, 2017 Kelaniya second paper, isn't it? (17 Kelaniya). We have to mark from question number 9. Okay, thank you, Satini. 2017 Kelaniya second term. Test 9. Fill in the blanks with the words given in the box. One is done for you. Who, where, which, whose, again who and whom. The servant has to wash the crockery, has done it. Crockery means plates, spoons, and all those things, right? Pinggan kopa, crockery means. The servant is the subject, so who? The servant who has to wash, subject. This is the place I was born. It's a place, so the relative pronoun is where. Here is the book I borrowed from the library. A book is a thing, so which? My best friend who left the country recently sent me a letter. This is Mr. Ravindra. House was burglared last night. Burglar means mankolla kanawa, right? So his house කියන adjective pronoun එක තමයි his තැනට එන්න ඕන. His, her, their. For these possessive adjectives අයිතිය හැඟවීමේ සර්වනාම පද නාම විශේෂණයට අපි ගන්නවා whose. His, her, their වෙනුවට අපි ගන්නේ whose. The doctor we went to see was very courteous. We went to see. We is the subject, doctor is the object. So object person whom. The doctor whom we went to see was very courteous. Test 10. Select a word from the box which has a similar meaning to the phrases given within brackets and write it in the space given. There are 3 extra words. You have to be careful. There are 3 extra words. Translated, job, profession. Profession means sure, daksha. Outstanding, kapi penena. Opportunity, fascinating. Satisfy, master. Master means nipuna. Language is a means of mean එකක් කියන්නේ mode එකක් ආකාරයක්. Language is a means of communication. Most people are competent or skilled in doing or using something. Dakshai, competent means dakshai or skilled හැකියාව තියෙනවා. So we can take the word proficient. Most people are proficient. Proficient in one language. Some are bilingual. Bilingual means dvibhasha. List A atara, others are trilingual, tribhasha. Sometimes in order to put a message across to others, we need to have on language express the sense of words or text in another language. Another language එකකින් express කරනවා translated. Translated. Another language. Translated into another. For this kind of a task or piece of work, maybe the වැඩක්. For this kind of job. වැඩක්. We need an interpreter. Interpreter means parivartaka, right? තේරුම් කර දෙනවා. Interpret means තේරුම් කරනවා, විස්තර කරනවා. We need an interpreter. It is not easy to master. නිපුණ වෙනවා. It is not easy to master both oral and written part of language, especially if one gets hardly any set of circumstance. Circumstance means සිදුවීම්. Set of circumstance that make it possible. Make it possible means පුළුවන් කරවනවා. to do something. යමක් කිරීමට පුළුවන් කිරීමේ අවස්ථා. Opportunity, right? Chances. Any opportunity. Any opportunity to do, any opportunity to practice it at all. What is the meaning of that? It is not easy to master both oral and written part of the language, especially if one get hardly any opportunity to practice it. Like for students in the Sinhala medium, sometimes they use Sinhala all the time, so English can be a little difficult for them. Tamil also same, because we speak, we learn things, our media is Sinhala. So Tamil and English can be a little difficult for us. But if our media is English, then there will be not a problem to learn English. In the other way also, some Tamil students at home, if they use English, then English is not very difficult for them. They are born Tamil, their mother tongue is Tamil, but they use English at home. So it is very easy. If they don't use, if it hardly any opportunity, කලාතුරකින් නම් English කතා කරන්න, පාවිච්චි කරන්න chance එක ලැබෙන්නේ, then it is a little difficult, right? The problem is that because English, the universal language, so many different languages are spoken in the world. It is always extremely interesting, අතිශය සිත් ගන්නා සුළු fascinating. It is always fascinating to learn a foreign language, though it can be a painstaking task. Painstaking means ටිකක් වෙහෙසකර වේදනාත්මක, pain වේදනාව, right? Learning a language is not easy, but it is very good, especially for your brain. When you learn another language, your brain stimulates. මොළය උත්තේජනය වෙනවා, right? So it is very good. Especially they say when you become older, like when you are 50 years, 60 years, the brain function becomes weaker. No? That is the best time to learn a new language. So your brain can boost up, right? මොළයට පොඩි push එකක් එනවා. අලුතෙන් වැඩක් පටන් අරගෙන තියෙනවා, මේකට ටිකක් මහන්සි වෙන්න ඕන කියලා, right? So you can have your memory for long lasting time. It's always very good to learn a second language, not only English. There is French, Japanese, Chinese, and nowadays Korean. Korean is only for the job opportunities, right? Not for international use, but also very useful. German, another one, right? So those are the languages you can learn. French, English is most important. Again, French. Japanese, Chinese, maybe Korean and German, right? Those are the most useful languages in the world. Test 11. Fill in the blanks in the following text using the words given in the box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, so we don't have any extra words. Squirrels are the most resourceful animals in the world. සම්පත් ගොඩක් තියෙන කට්ටිය තමයි ඒගොල්ලෝ කියන්නේ. ඕන් තරම් බඩු තියෙනවා. They have the knack එක පුරුද්ද. They have the knack of saving up for rainy days. ඉතිරි කිරීමේ පුරුද්ද තියෙනවා. Autumn can be very entertaining for them. Please tell me if I am using the wrong words. Very. Autumn can be very entertaining for them. That is the time, that is the time when the great harvest collection, when they begin. The Great Harvest Collection, their winter store. For their winter store. Sita kale tiyena gabadawata harvest collection එක අස්වැන්න එකතු කරගන්න හොඳම කාලේ තමයි winter autumn එක කියන්නේ. ඒ කාලේ ඒගොල්ලෝ පටන් ගන්නවා. You can see them scampering here and there. Scamper means කෙටි අඩි තියලා වේගෙන් දුවන ගමන. ලේන්නු මීයෝ අන්න ඒගොල්ලෝ වගේ ළඟ ළඟ අඩි තියලා දුවගෙන යන ගමන. Scampering. Here and there collecting nuts of all sorts. All sorts හැම වර්ගයම. sort 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 වර්ගය. වර්ග කරනවා. Nuts of all sorts. Walnuts, beech nuts, chestnuts, and dried berries. They are, I think, not fussy. They are not fussy. Fussy means ඕනාවට වැඩිය දේවල් ගැන හිතනවා. ඒගොල්ලෝ එහෙම නෑ. They are not fussy. Relentlessly. විවේකයක් නොලබා. Relentlessly. They run to their storage point. Storage point එක කියන්නේ ගබඩාව, right? Usually a tree hollow. Usually a tree hollow to the එතන to එනවා නම් මේක from වෙන්න ඕනනේ. From to නේ. So this one from, I think. From the storage point, gabadave indala, to the vast amount of nuts. Vast kanita vishal. Kalave ona tarang edi jati tiyenwane, right? To the vast amount of wild nuts. Can gatta wild nuts to the vast amount of they run from their storage point, usually a tree hollow, to the vast amount of wild nuts to be found in the forest. To be found in the forest. These beautiful animals are house proud. Family එක ගෙදර ගැන ආඩම්බර වෙන අය. House proud. They take great pains to ensure. තහවුරු කරනවා. they take great pains. Loku vedanawak loku karadara dara gannawa to ensure that their nest is secure and warm enough to hide them over the harsh winter. Harsh means ralu. Ralu winter එකෙන් උණුසුම යාට ආරක්ෂාව ලැබෙන විදියට ගොඩක් ලස්සනට එයාගේ house එක හදනවා. Let's go to test 12. Mohan has gone to see the doctor because he is suffering from a chest pain. Papuwe Vedanav. This is the conversation he has with the doctor. Read it and complete the description given below. The first one is done for you. Good morning, doctor. Good morning. Take a seat. What's your problem? Doctor, I have a chest pain. Is it a severe pain? Severe means darunu. Dadi vedanavak darunu. Yes, doctor. When did you get it first? I got the pain last week. Did you take any pills? Pill means behet petta. Tablet kiyanne tekamai, right? Pill, petta. Yes, doctor. I took a tablet for the pain. Can I see the tablets now? Here they are. Okay, you can continue these. You can continue these, but I will give you another tablet. Take it twice a day after meals. Thank you, doctor. Now we have the description. Mohan went to the doctor because he was suffering from a chest pain. The doctor asked whether it was a severe pain. So we can see that this question is from reported speech. Okay, it's not information transfer. Dialogue එකේ තියෙන තොරතුරු මාරු කරන්න නෙමෙයි තියෙන්නේ, reported speech question. It was a severe pain. Mohan said that the pain the before week. එතන last week කියනවා I got the pain last week. I got the pain. So simple past tense. We have to go to past perfect. He had got. He had got the pain the week before. The doctor asked whether එකෙන් අපි අහන්නේ tag question එකක්, right? Whether he any pills. Doctor අහනවා did you take any pills? So did එකෙන් අහන්නේ simple past tense question එකක්. මේකත් අපි යන්න ඕනේ past perfect එකට. He had taken. Did you take? නම් take ගේ participle එක ගන්න ඕනේ. Had taken any pills. Then Mohan said that Mohan මොකද කියන්නේ? Yes, doctor, I took. Again, had taken. I took yani simple past tense එක, මේක යනවා past perfect එකට. I had taken one tablet. The doctor asked whether the tablets. I අහන්නේ doctor question එකක්. Can I see the tablets now? Can එක අපි could කරනවා. Could see. Whether he could see the tablets. Could and the original verb. Could see the tablets. But the doctor said that no, I think the doctor asked whether okay. But the doctor said that him another tablet. I will give you another tablet. No. So will එක would වෙනවා original verb. Would give. Right. Test 13. Read the following rules to be followed by the students at school and visitors to a hospital. Put them in the correct column, school or hospital. Write the letter of each rule in the correct column. One is done for you. Right. When you fill the chart, when you fill the chart, 1 here, 2 here, 3 here, 4 here, 5 here, 6 here, 7 here, 8 here, you cannot do like that. Right? When you fill the chart, you cannot do like that. Read the question. Write the letter of the each rule in the correct column. In the correct column. So let's think number 4. Number 4 is hospital. Then you have to go to number 4 hospital. Not here. Right? Number 4 here. Then you have to write here. That is not the correct way. Okay? I think I have to draw the chart. School and hospital. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10, 11. Like that. Number 1 is here. Number 2. Number 1, dress neatly and wear clean clothes. Number 2, please do not remove the identification band. Identification band. Where is a band? Here, around the wrist. Right? Not in Sri Lanka, but in other hospitals, in other countries. When you enter, when you are admitted to the hospital, they give you a band. It is a computer printout with the code. Computer code is there. Everything is there. Your name, NIC number, like that. All your details are there in that band. Right? So when you are sleeping, doctors will not come and disturb you. They just check your band and get the details about your name, age, everything. Right. So the second one is for hospitals. Identification band is there. So here you have to write number 2, hospital line. Don't write number 2 here. Udakotu number 2 liyanna bෑ. 2 in the correct column. Read the handbook carefully and make note of the important things. Read the handbook carefully and make note of the important things. So in a hospital, you are not going to write anything. You are a patient. So it's, I think, school. Each and every child has to take part in extra and co-curricular activities. School. Extracurricular activities, Vishaya Bahira Kriyakarakam, like clubs and societies. Co-curricular activities means Vishaya Samagami Kriyakarakam, like group work, projects, right? They are co-curricular. Vishaya Samagami, Vishaya Adala Deva. There are a lot of science projects, English assignments. Those are co-curricular. Vishaya Adala Deva. Children visit has been limited by the physician. Physician is doctor. Doctors la seema karala tiyena lamai ena eka. So it's hospital. under certain age, children cannot visit hospitals, right? යම් කිසි වයස් සීමාවකට අඩු ළමයින්ට hospital වලට යන්න දෙන්නේ නැහැ සමහර වෙලාවට. It is compulsory. Compulsory means අනිවාර්යයි. It is compulsory for the children to speak in English. So it's number 6, school. Children to speak in English. We know our English teachers make a very big effort to make you speak in English in the class period. Right? අපේ teachers ලා ලොකු උත්සාහයක් ගන්නවා ළමයින් ලව්වා English period එකේදීවත් English කතා කරන්න. මොකද වෙන්නේ? කට්ටිය කතා කරන්නේ නැතුව. So this one may be an international school or some other country, right? Compulsory to speak in English. English වලින් කතා කරන එක අනිවාර්යයි. Next one, visitors are not allowed to enter emergency main entrance. We call it ICU sometimes, emergency entrance. Hadisi pratikara seve, right? So it's number 7, hospital. Emergency unit. Next one, the health and hygiene of the children is strictly considered. It's number 8, school. Health and hygiene. Saukya saha hygiene means saniparakshawa. Your cleanliness, right? Pirisidukam. Strictly bohoma dadiva salaka balanawa. Strictly considered. Do not waste time because it is precious. Use it well. It's number 9. In a hospital, you cannot tell that. There are patients. Okay, they have to lie down on a bed and relax. We cannot ask them to not to waste time and do some work. So it is school. For your children's health, please do not accompany children under 12 years. It's very close to number 5. 5 එකයි 10 එකයි එකම meaning එක තියෙන්නේ. ළමයාගේ සෞඛ්‍ය ගැන හිතලා 12ට අඩු ළමයි accompany කරන්න. Accompany means කැටුව එනවා. ඒගොල්ලන්ව එක්කගෙන එන්න එපා. Do not accompany. Visiting hours at the intensive care unit. Intensive care unit is දැඩි සත්කාර ඒකකය. Emergency unit එක කියන්නේ හදිසි ප්‍රතිකාර ඒකකය. Like accidents, right? So this is intensive care unit, that is satkara ekakaya, are set by the physician in charge. It's here. This question can come to you in different patterns. Sometimes you have to put a tick. Adala kotuwada school nang school kotuwada tick එකක් දාන්න කියලා එනවා. Right? සමහර වෙලාවට you have to write the English letter. School nang adala kotuwe school sakurak danna kiyala enawa. Okay, so you have to read the question carefully and understand what to do. Metana kiyala tiyenne write the letter. Letter can actually it's the number, right? Hari anki damma nan hari. Test 14. You are the secretary of the school health club. The members of the club have decided to hold an awareness program for the students in order to prevent from the dengue menace. Write a letter to the public health inspector PHI in your area requesting him to give his support in the program. Use about 150 words, include date, time, venue, pictures or posters to educate students. ළමයින්ව දැනුවත් කරන්න මොනවා හරි දේවල් ගේන්න කියලාත් කියන්න ඕනේ. They have no from the government, they have pictures, posters. රජයෙන් ඒගොල්ලන්ට දෙනවා. ඒගොල්ලෝ ගාව තියෙනවා ඒවා. Ask him to deliver a speech. See, everything is in the question. ලියන්න ඕනේ හැම එකම ප්‍රශ්න දීලා තියෙනවා. Right? You just have to write complete answers. මුකුත් හිතන්න දෙයක් නැහැ. මේ ටිකම ලිව්වනම් ඔයාට letter එක ගන්න තිබුණා. It's a very good question. අමාරු නෑ ප්‍රශ්නේ. Next one, The graph also not very difficult. See what දැක්ක ගමන්ම පේනවා religious activities වලට clubs දෙකෙන්ම equal amount of money තමයි use කරලා තියෙන්නේ. Anyway, let's read the question. The following graph shows the expenditure. Expenditure means වියදම. වියදම. Incur means වියදම් දරනවා. On different projects of the two social services clubs in your village. තොර ආගේ ගමේ නම in our village කියලායි ලියන්න. Study the graph and write a description of it. Use these words. Right. It's not very difficult. Founding elders home is the most one. Giving books for needy children can be the least one. Adumeka equal clubs dekama equal amount එකක් සල්ලි පාවිච්චි කරලා තියෙනවා religious activities වලට. Right? I think both the questions are not very difficult. Anyone want to write the letter today? Other letter එක ලියන්න ඕනේද? If you think it is not difficult, then I will go to the next question. Anyone needs help? Test 14, the letter. Okay, Satini. Then let's write it quickly. You can write a very beautiful letter for this because you have all the information there. ප්‍රශ්නේ ඔක්කොම ටික දීලා තියෙනවා, right? We can write a beautiful letter. Let's quickly write. Get ready your paper. Okay, so you have to write your name and everything there. Write your name. And your school address. School health club. One line down. Then let's write the receiver's address. Usually they work under the MOH office, right? PHI officers. They work under the MOH office. If you are not sure about those things, you can just write a hospital address, right? Base hospital, Mulika Rohala Horana. You can write that also. Again, one line down. We have to write the salutation, dear sir. So what is your topic? We have here requesting him to give his support in the program. What is your program? Awareness program. So we can take that idea. Requesting your support. Requesting your support on an awareness program. Requesting support on an awareness program. Underline. Here one line down. Again one line down. Don't keep two lines, only one line down. Eka rulai arinne. I am write your name. Comma. The secretary of the I am, write your name. The secretary of the school health club of, write your name. I am, write your name. The secretary of the school health club of, school name. Of එක නැතුව නිකම්ම ලියන්න බෑ. I am the secretary of the Takshila Junior College School Health Club. It's wrong. You have write of. Of එක දාලා දෙපැත්ත මාරු කරලා ලියන්න ඕන. විද්‍යාලයේ සංගමය. විද්‍යාලය සංගමය කියන්න බෑ. විද්‍යාලයේ. Right? Of එක අනිවාර්යයි දෙපැත්ත මාරු වෙනවා. විද්‍යාලයේ සංගමය. Club of college. College of club නෙමෙයි. I am writing this letter. I am writing this letter to request your support on an awareness program organized by us. අප විසින් සංවිධානය කළ. Right? An awareness program organized by us. For the students, now I am copywriting from the book. For the students in order to prevent from the dengue menace. This is our purpose. Why are we writing this letter? I am writing this letter to request your support on an awareness program organized by us for the students in order to prevent from the dengue menace. Then I will add more information in the next paragraph. It will be held on the 28th of December 2021 from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. A dot M dot, right? You have to put correct punctuation marks. Teachers can cut marks for punctuation marks, right? විරාම ලකුණු වලට ලකුණු කපන්න පුළුවන්. It will be held on the 28th of December 2021 from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. දැන් මෙතන lectures නේ තියෙන්නේ. එතකොට මහා වෙලාවක් තියන්න ඕනේ නැහැ, right? awareness program එකක් කියන්නේ දැනුවත් කිරීමේ වැඩසටහන. In the school main hall. Main hall you can write in simple. It's all right. It's just my habit is to write in capital. In the school main hall. Right? We would be glad, full stop here. We would be glad. Glad means සතුටු වෙනවා, right? We would be glad if you can deliver a speech speech, give me 1 minute. Give me 1 minute. I will go to the next page. Right. Right. Speech with picture posters, to educate the students. Last paragraph. We are looking forward for a favorable reply soon. In the downline rule අරින් නැතුව පහළ පේලියට ගන්න. Thank you. Then one line down. Yours sincerely, signature, name. Draw the margin, please. Draw the margin, draw the rectangle. If you use 2 pages, draw the rectangle in both pages, right? Pitu dekatama kotuwa den. Okay, let's go to test 15. The day the moon fell Vatuna, right? The day the moon fell. One moonlit night. What is the meaning moonlit? Lit. Lit means the past tense of light. Light, lit. Sanda dalunu. Sanda payu rayaka. Right? Eka handa paela tibunu davasaka. One moonlit night, the moon was shining very brightly. All around the dense forest, dense ghana, mahaghana vanantaraya, all around the dense forest, there was silence, peace, and tranquility. Tranquility means shanta. Shanta bhava. Prevail. Patirayanama. Prevailed. Patirayanama. In the coolness of the night. Far away in the distant hills. Dura ata kanduwala. Far away in the distant hills. The moon appeared to rise higher and higher. Rise means ihalayanama, right? Its yellow beam, beam aloka kadambaya. Its yellow beams shining more and more brightly. At a clearing nearby. Clearing එක පොඩි එලි වෙච්ච තැන. කියන්නේ ගස් කොළන් නැති තැනක. Clearing එකක මේ ළඟ පාත. At a clearing nearby, the silence of the night was broken. Nishabdatawe kaduna was broken by the chattering of some monkeys, like dogs barking, monkey chatter. Pandurange katahanda අපි කියන්නේ chatter කියලා. බල්ල බුරනවට bark කියන්නේ, right? Like that. Broken. The silence was broken by the chattering of some monkeys. Agile and full of energy. Agile means kadisara. Kadisara. And full of energy. බොහොම ශක්තිය. Energy එක ශක්තිමත්කම වැඩි. මෙතන ශක්තිය කියන්නේ strong කියන එක නෙමෙයි. ජවය. Right? Full of energy. They were playing in the trees which stood majestically. බොහොම තේජාන්විතව in the dense forest. The monkeys were happily jumping from one tree to another. Beside the trees, there was a pond. Beside means near. There was a pond. දැන් පොකුණ තියනකොට එතන ගස් කොළන් නැහැනේ පොකුණ මැද right ඒ නිසා තමයි එතන පොඩ්ඩක් එලි වෙලා වගේ තියෙන්නේ වටේ you can imagine the picture වටේට ලොකු ගස් තියෙනවා පොකුණක් මැද තියෙනවා ඒතකොට එතන පොඩි එලි වෙලා වගේ ගතියක් තියෙනවා beside the trees there was a pond which shimmer means දිලිසෙනවා බබලනවා shimmered in the bright moonlight. The monkeys looked into the pond and saw, to their amazement, another moon in the pond. What a shock it gave them. Shock company. Excited and frantic. Excited means bayaha satutamusu hangima and frantic. Umatuwa pissu haduna. The monkey said, "Oh, the moon has fallen into the pond. Quick, we must save the moon. Let's go into the pond and save it." Without wasting any more time, kisima kalayak nasti nokara, and feeling desperate for the moon. හඳගෙන බොහොම දුකටපත් වෙලා දුක්ඛිත right desperate for the moon that was in the water all the monkeys jumped into the pond හඳ බේර ගන්න ඔක්කොම වතුරට පැන්න splash 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 වතුර වැටෙන සද්දේ sorry වතුරට මොකක් හරි වැටෙන සද්දය අර මෙහෙම වතුර විසිරිලා යන්නේ splash right වතුරට මොකක් හරි ලොකු ගලක් දැම්මම වතුර බින්දුව හතර වටේට විසි වෙන්නේ that is splash all the monkeys were in the water it was cold and wet in the pond the monkeys shivered in the chill of the night shiver සීතලට වෙවුලනවා chill that is සීතල chill of the night and their mouths were full of water. However hard they tried, they could not get at the moon in the pond. හඳ අල්ලගන්න බැරි වුණා. Because it was only the moon's reflection in the water. Yes. What is reflection? Pratibhimbaya. Right? Do we have any simple word? Pratibhimbaya. It's not a shadow. Reflection එක ප්‍රතිබිම්බය any simple Sinhala word for that you learn about pratibhimbaya in science right in the lens lesson කාශ පාඩමේ එකට සරල වචනයක් තියෙනවද ප්‍රතිබිම්බයට right so it was only the moon's reflection in the water. Were the monkeys aware of it? Aware means danuwat. Mankila meka dannawad. Were the monkeys aware of it? Now let's go to the question. Say whether the following statements are true or false. There was silence in the forest at night. Yes, in the forest, yes, there was silence. The monkeys were playing in the pond. No. The pond was far away in the distant hills. No. It was the moon there. The monkeys wanted to save the moon. Yes. From where did the moon appear to rise? In the first paragraph, far away in the distant hills. Where were the monkeys playing in the second paragraph? They were playing in the trees. In the trees. How was the pond described by the writer? How was the pond? Shimmered in the bright moonlight. Underline the correct answer. The monkeys saw the reflection. When the monkeys saw the reflection of the moon in the water, they become excited. They felt energetic. They were silent. Answer is A, right? They become excited. Find words from the passage which has the same meaning. We have to find out similar words. Astonishment, surprise. Astonishment, surprise, amazement or amusement. Amazement, yeah, amazement. Stimulated, aroused. උත්තේජනයට පත් වෙනවා. That one we can say excited. Excited. They and it. Who are they? They were playing monkeys. It. What a shock it gave them. You have to write the full answer. Moon in the pond. Moon in the pond. Not the moon, not the pond. Monkeys la excited to name මොකක් දැකලාද? Moon in the pond. Or you can write another moon in the pond. Moon in the pond. No other answers. Essays, let's protect our environment. See, lot of guidelines are there. මේකකට වාක්‍ය 3-4 ගානේ ලියාගෙන ගියා නම් ඔයාලට essay එක ලියන්න පුළුවන්. What is meant by environment? Why is it important? Environment pollution, how it happens, the result, what happens, how does it affect on people, what we should do to protect our environment. See, the guidelines are in very good order. Right? If you write 3 sentences for each guideline, you can have 200-word essay. Next one, an essay, the book I enjoyed reading. Name of the book, author, what is it about, the characters, how do you got the book, and why you like it. Again, the guidelines are there. Complete the story. My father and I were preparing some vegetable beds in the garden. I saw my sister was running towards us busily. She came and told us that. Any story can be there, right? Your family won an air ticket to some other country on some lucky draw, like that. Anything can be there. Next one, complete the dialogue between Chatuni and Senuti. They discuss their ideas on forms of entertainment. Do you remember we did that lesson in the pupils book, Forms of Entertainment? Did you watch the film telecasted yesterday over Moon TV? No, dear, I missed it. but I watched the musical program in another channel. Was it beautiful? So here you have a film, a reality show or musical program, teledramas, stage dramas, right? Those are the forms of entertainment. Okay. I think next we have to mark 2018 paper, isn't it? Before that, let's go and mark that Anne Frank lesson. Did we mark that one, Anne Frank lesson? Did we mark page number 98, activity 5? Anne Frank lesson, did we mark it? අනු අට පිටුවේ ඇන් ෆ්‍රෑන්ක් පාඩමේ ඇක්ටිවිටි එක හරි වැරදි දැම්මද අපි? Okay. Right. I thought you all understand English when I asked, did we mark Anne Frank lesson? No one was answering. Don't you understand that much English? Did we mark page number 98 Anne Frank lesson activity? No answer. When I ask in Sinhala, 98 පිටුවේ Anne Frank පාඩමේ activity එක හරි දැම්මද? Then you all answer. Maybe all of you are thinking that another friend will answer, teacher. I don't have to answer. අරයා යවයිනි message එක අනිත් එක්කෙනා යවයිනි message එක අනිත් එක්කෙනා යවයිනි message එක at the end of the day no one message me. No one turn on the microphone and tell me yes or no. Because you think another one will do. That is the sad thing happening to our country also. Everyone think that another one will do their responsibility, their duties. I don't have to do that. In the bus, some old woman or someone who need care comes to the bus. Then everyone in their work, in their world, everyone thinks that another one will give seat. Mama nakitin nonne area seat take the area. Everyone thinks the same. No use to talk also. Right. Where was Anne Frank born? In Frankfurt. In Frankfurt. Why did Anne and her family members go into hiding? Why did they go into hiding? This one and the next question can be mixed up. Where did they hide? Use your own words. Number 4. Why was it impossible for Anne's family to remain in their own country? Right? So don't mix up 2 and 4. Let's write a simple answer for question number 2. Why did Anne and her family members go into hide? To save their lives. To save their lives. Number 3, where did they hide? In a secret annex. In a secret annex. We have another part. Use your own words for the answer. It's all right. In a secret annex or room. Right? This is what they mean. So you can write room. In a secret room. Number 4. Why was it impossible for Anne's family to remain in their own country? ඒගොල්ලන්ගේ රටේ කොහෙත්ම ඉන්න බැරි වුණ දෙයට හේතුව. We have reasons in the second paragraph. Growing anti-Semitism. The economic crisis. There are a few answers. Economic crisis. Hitler's rise to power. Hitler's rise to power. And growing anti-Semitism. Growing anti-Semitism. Number 5. What kind of a life did they lead in hiding? In the third paragraph, we have an answer. Very quietly. Very quietly. Number 6. What did she write in her diary? You have the answer in page number 98. Page number 98. What did he write there? Events in the secret annex. About herself. And humanity. And humanity. Why was she attached so much to the diary? Because because it was a great support. It was a great support and source of relief to her. Aswasuma. Sort of relief to her. Aswasuma. Sahanayak una, right? Relief. Number 8. Why did Anne Frank become famous? Because of her diary. It's in your first paragraph. Because of her diary. Where was the family sent after they were arrested? To Auschwitz. Auschwitz. Okay. Now all of you can do activity 6 in the writing book. Write all the sentences and answers. Complete with suitable adjectives. You can take any adjective, any suitable adjective, and then we will discuss. Right? Start writing page number 98, activity 6. You can write any suitable adjective. After writing the answers in the book, you all can chat the answers to me, right? So that I can check your answers. I will mark 2018 paper next week. Please mark that. 2018 Western Province. And we'll send you some dictation words. Next week, we will have normal class here. Rude elephant, warm sun, fragrant, spelling mistake is there, fragrant, fragrant, uncle's van, huge iguana, small rabbits, newborn baby, loud music, arrogant boy, fresh wind. Okay, Niketa, you have all the correct answers.